Zebiega from Filmstro here with a quick Filmstro update, looking at one track in particular. This one we just love. We think it's very, very filmic kind of TV, especially American kind of TV kind of sound. We've heard stuff like this in just countless programs, and just want to take this one for a spin just to sort of see what you guys think, and looking forward to hearing what you guys make with this as well. So here comes our track called Celeste. Awesome, could listen to that all day, literally, so nice. But yeah, so hope that's been useful, and really looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with when using our new song, Celeste. Cheers then.